Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to see comments and replies on Threads. So basically you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Threads application. Now launch your Threads, and then if you want to see all comments of a specific picture or post here, what you're going to do is to click and you will see the replies if you tap this message icon right here. So for example, this one, you just have to go down and you see the replies in the comment section or the comments of the specific picture or post. Now, if you want to see the reply of this account or all replies of this account, you must visit this person's profile first. Here you will see his posts, and if you scroll down here, you will see the section replies. If you tap this, and then you will see all replies from this account, all replies from his or her post. And if you want to see comments on your post or threads, then you just have to go to your profile. You will see in your profile the post that you have shared or that you have post, and then you will see also your replies, where you can see all your replies to the specific account, post, or comment. So basically that's it. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.